Hi, my name is Cameron Steele, and today I'm going to be presenting on how to use Google Drive. So, Google Drive is a Google designed app that allows for Google users to store any information such as PDFs, presentations, or text documents that they've uploaded or downloaded onto their device, such as a Samsung Galaxy S6 or their laptop or a simple tablet, or basically any device that uses Google. Okay, so what we're going to show you now is at the top left corner, you see this triple line icon. This allows you to take a look at what computers are synchronized to it through this icon, computers. Shared with me shows you any documents that have been shared with you. And recent shows any recent documents or anything you've uploaded. Start shows your favorites or anything important. Offline shows any offline documents that you have. And the bin shows you any documents that you've removed from Google Docs. And so backups shows any data that's in your backup data, such as in your applications, Google Drive, Play Store. Call history and device settings can't be accessed. It's only be accessed through your device itself. And so it shows you notifications, which I haven't gotten any yet. And you can take a look at settings to adjust your Google Drive, such as if you want to clear cache, you can, but I'm not going to. Or enable encryption, or transfer files only over Wi-Fi, which can be valuable, but also if you don't want to, you can use your mobile data on your device. So I'm not going to cancel that. And it also shows you how much storage you have. So right now I've only used 3.9 gigabytes, which is really good. Okay, so we're going to go back to my drive. And here we can search through the search icon, like text documents that you have, or such as PDFs, presentations, spreadsheets, or any photos you have that you've uploaded to Google Drive. You can also sort your data by name, when it was last modified. And you can also select your items too. If you want to select anything and remove it, you can. This is just an example. I'm not going to remove it. So you see the remove icon through the garbage bin icon there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is clear selection. And so you can also change the viewing through this icon here. See the one that in top right that's changing? It shows you in a list format or in a grid format. And so I'm going to show you how to make a new folder like so. You can just click new folder and type in fun folder or anything like that. And it'll show you that it's been made. Pressing OK, and it will show you that it's been made. And so you can also upload presentations onto your Google Drive by simply downloading it, and it will open. And you can share and export it, and then just send it to your Google Drive as a PowerPoint. To cognitive ergonomics, which is what I want. Save it. And like so, it will be saved on there. Okay, and so we're going to confirm that it's uploaded onto there. And so it is being uploaded. I actually downloaded another presentation. That was another accident analysis. I'm going to make that available offline through this icon. available offline. And so it'll be available offline. It'll take a few seconds because I'm in a Wi-Fi zone right now, and it'll work. And so if I'm in an area that doesn't have Wi-Fi, I can easily access it without having to require Wi-Fi at all. And so you can access it. Okay, so that is it for the presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me.